What you doing?
Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to another vlog.
Yo.
I can't see you. We are heading out. We are getting ready to go to the beach. It's Jenny's first beach day ever. Because where we lived previously, there wasn't a beach. And then when we moved back to Champaign, when we moved back to Chicago, COVID happened and we were on lockdown. So we're finally able to go to the beach, and she's been asking. So we're getting ready to take her. Jenny, are you excited to go to the beach? Yeah.
I got the
Okay. And I finally took the braids down. And this is me being lazy. So instead of actually washing my hair, I just wore it as a twist out after I took the braids down. And it's kind of cute.
Bless you, bro.
Anyway, we'll see you guys when we get there.
Let me help you go. That happened.
Jenny, your feet is gonna be a little dirty.
Yeah, let's go. We can put our feet in the water. Alright?
Why are you so close?
Good.
Bring him into the stands. Hi, Jenny.
What's up, Anime?
What's up, Tato? Oh, she on the camera. Okay.
Yeah, go. Yeah, go together. ain't that cold.
It is that cold.
Let's go.
This water is probably not even like
See? Come on. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Come on.
We're so dizzy.
Come on. Look at the little kid. Oh my God. We got the little kids over there in the water. I don't know why he's doing that. Your feet gotta be in the water.
Come on, mommy.
Go ahead, go play.
Let's go. Go, mommy.
Together.
Mommy, it's cold. It's cold. Look at that. Okay, come on. Give me a hand. Oh God.
I see you, ladies. Why are you doing that? It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. I went deep enough too.
Where?
Go!
You leaving her. You leaving her.
I'm afraid to get in there. I got all this stuff in my pocket.
Alright, let's take my pictures before the sun goes down. These are the lights. Shoot it, shoot it. Did you have a good day at the beach?
I want to stay here.
You want to stay here?
Yeah.
But we have to go home. And we got to get your ice cream. You said you want strawberry ice cream
Strawberry ice cream.
on the cone. Guys, we had such a good time today. But the sun is going down and it's time to go home. Or to our next destination, rather. You guys, they have this like brunch breakfast spot. I don't know if you can see it. Called Shore Club. Definitely coming back. I want to see what that's about. Over these type of bridges who be thinking shit like, what if it just breaks?
Why you think like that?
Because it's possible. It could happen. Hi. Say welcome. This is Kayla.
This is Julia. I'm Julia.
Julia and Kayla, where are you guys from?
I'm from Beach Park. She's from Hawaii.
Hawaii? What are you doing here? Oh, you live here. Okay. So they just wanted to say hi. Hi guys.
Subscribe to her channel, guys.
Yep, subscribe to my channel.
You should.
And follow me on Instagram. I'll follow you back.
Okay.
Okay? No problem.
Right. ice cream.
What kind did you get, Jenny?
Can you go ice cream?
Can you eat mine?
What type of ice cream you got? I got vanilla.
I got strawberry.
You got strawberry? Mommy?
I got raspberry sherbet.
Hey.
Can you eat yours?
No, you eat yours. You eat yours and I eat mine.
Yummy. What I eat?
My mind's not fat.
Wait, no, Jenny, don't eat mine.
You look beautiful, by the way, the whole day.
Thanks.
You too, Jenny. You look beautiful. Yes, baby. Bust some kisses. Hey.
This is really good.
Huh? Wasn't very good?
Jenny, you want to eat everybody else's, but you don't want to share yours?
Okay. That's funny. Tastes like
Delicioso.
Giozo.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, eat.
Mine? You want to eat mine?
I want to eat yours too.
No, eat your own.
Here we go again. Say it.
Here we go again.
You guys, if you're ever in Lincoln Park, I highly recommend this place. It's called Yo Berry. And it's like frozen yogurt and ice cream. Small business, really good. Niali put me on, of course. I need 2 hands to eat mine. You only need 1.
Oh, do it again. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You feel love? You feel loved?
Yes.
That's good.
That's good. Are you happy?
Yes.
My ice cream comes better than yours.
No, my teeth is better yours.
Yours better than mine?
Big mine.
Yeah, ice cream cone match your outfit.
My ice cream is very outfit. I
You
need.
take some of your thing.
I am not happy with him at the moment, y'all.
Let me try.
That's good.
Oh, y'all want to eat my stuff?
Look what we do over here. For sure.
They get stuff I don't like and then they eat my stuff.
She eat my stuff too, though, guys.
Guys,
this one I would
eat
eat my
the
stuff.
ice cream. Hey, what the ice cream shop?
Yeah, the ice cream shop.
It's right there.
Hey, be careful though. You don't
Make
want to
sure
spill.
you hold your ice cream with 2 hands.
With 2 hands, so you won't spill.
Alright, y'all. We're finally back home. And it is like almost 10 o'clock. I didn't realize how much of a journey it was going to be to get to the beach today. It was a lot, but it was definitely worth it. I took some pictures, so I'm just looking at the pictures we took today for Instagram. So yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower and get back to y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, I'm back. We are clean, sand free everywhere, and pretty much I am about to end the night here. It's like 11 o'clock and I'm really tired. But before I do that, I'm just gonna go into my planner and kind of write out everything that I need to do tomorrow, because since we spent most of the day out of the house today, like I've been out since like 11 a.m. just running errands, last minute getting stuff to make sure she had everything so she could have a good day at the beach today. And so all the normal Saturday things didn't happen, so that's transitioning into Sunday. So I just want to make a list for myself. That way I wake up tomorrow, I already know what I need to do. There's no guessing. I can just wake up ready to go. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. I'm just sitting in front of this window so we can have good lighting. But you guys, by some godly miracle, Genesis is still sleeping, and I was able to throw in like 5 loads of laundry and take a shower before she got up, and it's like 8:30. Normally Jenny's up by like 7 at the latest, usually like 6:30. So I am like kind of happy about that because I have a lot of stuff to do around the house today. I need to wash my brushes. Y'all see what my living room is looking like. A mess. I need to clean, basically. I need to clean the bathroom, clean the kitchen, hang up this new artwork. Let me show you. I got these new like painting or like wall frame canvas things from Amazon. There's 3 of them. We'll move that there. And then and this one. So I'ma just be transparent. So even though the living room is looking like this, I kind of wanted something on the walls to like tie everything together. And right now we just have this one solo family picture on this bare ass wall. So I wanted to fill the space. So I think I'm gonna replace the family picture with these 3 and then probably move that picture over there, or I don't know yet. But getting that together and just cleaning the house. So let me take advantage of her sleeping. I guess the beach really wore her out. So I'm about to take advantage and get as much housework done as possible because it'll be just my luck. In about 20 minutes, I'll be hearing, "Mommy, Mommy, I'm hungry." So yeah, remember I told y'all, let me get started because in just my luck, in 20 minutes she's gonna be up. Wasn't even 20 minutes. It's been like 5 minutes since I cut this camera off. And look who joined us.
Joined us. We got the...
Say good morning.
Good morning. We got... You my hair is wrong.
Your hair is wrong?
Yes.
You need to do your hair today?
Yes.
I know. That's on the agenda. So we're going through our morning routine right now. Just adding her potty stars. So I bought this little chart when we were potty training her. It's called I'm a Potty Princess. And every time they do one of these actions here, anytime they do one of these actions, they get a star. So Jenny is fully potty trained, but since going back to daycare, we've noticed her regressing a little bit in terms of, here Ma.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, Mommy.
In terms of her having accidents more frequently. So I decided to pull the chart back up, and anytime she comes home from school and she hasn't had an accident all day, she gets to put a star on the chart. And anytime she wakes up and hasn't had an accident, like in the middle of the night, she gets to put a star on the chart. And then once she gets 5 stars in a row, we give her money to put in her piggy bank. And then once she fills up the whole chart, we take her to buy a new toy. So it has been working in terms of her accidents. So this is maybe like day 4 in a row with no accidents. So she definitely gets some stars today. And that's the first thing that she does when she wakes up. But I just thought it was so funny that I told y'all, like, yay, I'm about to get so much done. I'm about to take advantage of this time. And I didn't hear Mommy, I'm hungry. I heard Mommy, where did Daddy go? So yeah. Yeah, the stars look like this. They're just little magnetic stars you can put on your fridge. All right, so let me clean the kitchen and then I'll be back. I think I'm gonna try to make those pesto eggs from TikTok for breakfast. So I'll definitely show y'all that. And Jenny and I will try it together and we'll see how we like it. They look interesting, so. Hey y'all, so it's hours later and we're still sprucing up the house. Laundry's done. I'm getting ready to wash my hair and wash Jenny's hair. She's currently pre-pooing at the moment. And we really aren't gonna be doing much else today. Maybe once Tay comes back and hangs those pictures, I will show you guys what the clean living room looks like.
Cheese and apples and crackers.
Cheese, apples, and crackers?
Yes.
You may.
No, cheese, apples, and crackers.
That's what you want?
Yes.
Okay. You want to tell the people?
Yeah. I want, guys, I go get cheese, apples, and crackers.
Okay.
That's what I want.
That's what she wants. So I guess I better go get her that. Be back in a moment.
Mommy, can have cheese and crackers and apples.
Yes. I say yes.
Yay!
Okay. Let's get you some. Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday and I have to be at work in like 30 minutes. I just finished editing a video that hopefully will go up, I don't know, soon. I'm trying to get back to doing 2 videos a week, but I'm not gonna lie, you guys, like it is a lot of work to produce that content, to be consistent across like all platforms and stuff. Definitely a learning experience and a little bit of a struggle. And I'm looking a little rough because allergies are really kicking my ass, guys. Like, I don't even know what to do at this point. Yesterday I took like 6 Benadryl just to try to maintain and like keep functioning. Yeah, so yesterday I was just obviously really like loopy because I took 6 Benadryl. And I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to take that many Benadryl, but your girl needed it. I was dying. Today's a little bit better, but I'm sure y'all could tell by how I sound, it still is a rough go. So I'm just filming right now. I mean, clearly I'm just getting ready for work right now, and I'm gonna try to film up my, what is wrong with me? Why can't I speak? Honestly, I really don't even feel like doing my makeup today, but my Nima Tang and Dose of Colors order just came in the mail, and I want to get that video up as soon as possible. So really, I'm doing my makeup right now so that when I come home on lunch, I can film that video. Because if I wasn't filming a video today, I would definitely be going to work barefaced. This Fenty Easy Drop Skin Tint, this thing is great. I love it. Especially for days like today where I don't even feel like putting on my makeup. I woke up, let me tell you guys a little bit about my morning, because I planned to film it for you all, but that didn't work out. I was just moving a little too fast. I woke up at like 5:45, and I'm still adjusting to the new schedule and like trying to figure out just my life and when I'm gonna fit in like normal things. I was talking to my therapist about this yesterday, because during the pandemic, hopefully Babe's okay with me sharing this. If not, I'll edit it out, but whatever. During the pandemic, we weren't sending Jenny to daycare, and Tay actually, like after we discussed it, he was staying home with Jenny during the day and doing like the homeschooling thing. And he is back to work now, and so it's definitely been an adjustment for me because the morning times are generally like when I work out, when I used to film in the morning as well, edit, all that type of stuff. But now that he is working and his shift starts at 8 and mine starts at 9, and we currently have one car, mornings are spent now like navigating this. And so it's been an adjustment because I haven't been able to, like, my morning routine used to be wake up at the same time, do devotion, work out, be back home by 7, get ready for work, maybe edit a video too, and then I'm out the door by like 8:45. But now that Tay has to be out the door pretty much by 7:30, I wake up at the same time, do devotion, touch up, clean the house, because my fiance is awesome, and when he was home, you know, he would clean up throughout the day and stuff like that. So I didn't really have to do that, which I was very grateful for. And so it freed up a lot of time for me to be able to film, edit, produce content, like just do other things. But now that we're both working again, he's not home to do that. So I spend my morning, since I'm the one who is home, right, and has like the free time and has a little bit more time in the morning, kind of touch up cleaning the house. And if you have a toddler, girl, you're always cleaning the house, okay? So that takes like 30 to 45 minutes. So in the morning, I get up, I do my devotion. I might have time to maybe edit. Definitely not enough time to film because I'm up really lately. I have been up, let's say, not exactly 4:45. My first alarm goes off at 4:45. I really don't get out the bed till 5:30. So by the time I'm done like praying or editing or whatever I'm doing, it's time to get Jenny ready, because at that time it's like 6:15, and she needs to be out the door by the time Daddy's ready to go, which is 7:15, 7:30. So I get Jenny together while he gets himself together, and then when they leave, I get myself ready for work right now. So finding time to just like take care of myself and work out. Hold on, guys. Someone from my staff is calling me. 1 second. Whew, okay. I thought it was bad. It's not that bad. She was just calling to tell me she was gonna be late. But yeah, so then at what was I saying? Around 7:30, I get myself together. I take a shower. But it just like this new transition is just an adjustment. Like I need to figure it out, because I'm not really eating breakfast. I'm not working out. I'm not doing the things that I need to do to take care of myself. And I also think that Tay, I need to go buy the big one, is kind of experiencing the same thing, like finding time for him to take care of himself. So maybe like we'll talk about it later today and see if we could come up with a better game plan. And honestly, probably just outsourcing some things, which I don't understand why I'm struggling with this, but it just needs to be done. Like I think I'm going to, now that COVID, you know, I'm vaccinated and all that stuff, things are getting back to normal. I honestly think I'm going to pay someone to come and clean like twice a month for us. That way, because neither one of us can operate in a not clean house. Like if I have to film and the house isn't clean, I'm cleaning first. I just can't function that way. And Tay is very much the same way. So, and y'all, I'm struggling with this. Like I really don't understand why. I really don't understand why. I don't know if it's highlighting something in terms of my relationship to money or what, but it's not that expensive. Obviously, this is a relative opinion, right? Like everyone has their own definition. So it would cost us like 80 bucks every time this person's gonna come in and clean, which would free up so much time for the both of us. but paying for someone to come into my house and clean kind of feels like something you do when you've arrived, right? Like when you have discretionary income. I don't know, it just makes me feel like you got it made, and we definitely don't. We're, by the grace of God, not like struggling, but we're definitely not where we want to be either. And so actually like booking the person has been, it just has felt weird to me. We do have someone come to do like a deep clean like twice a year, but it's not the same as having someone come twice a month. But if I want to be productive and spend my time doing other things that are meaningful to me and allow my fiance to do the same, I think that's just what's gonna need to happen. But I don't understand why I'm feeling this way. So if you've experienced something similar, please share, because hopefully I'm not the only one. Okay, where are we on time? All right, y'all, so I have like 10 minutes to get dressed and get out the door. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll take you guys to work with me today. I don't really have much to vlog, so maybe I'll do that and then come back. Hey guys, so I'm on lunch and Tay got me a cold buster from Starbucks because I felt really crappy today. We normally take lunch together, and I didn't record it because we were talking through some of the things that I was talking to you guys about earlier, and just trying to put systems and plans in place that will help me feel a little less overwhelmed with the transition, and like, but still being able to feel like fulfilled and achieving like our personal goals and stuff. So I feel a little bit better now. So I'm just enjoying the weather for the last like 20 minutes of my lunch and drinking this tea because I need it. Hey y'all, it's been like, I don't even know how many days. I'm coming to y'all, new hair, new everything. Today is Saturday, and I'm just gonna close the vlog out here because there really isn't much going on. I am editing all day today, making thumbnails all day today while Tay is at work. We dropped Jenny off at my mom's for a couple of hours just so I can knock some things out. Right now I just finished like touch-up cleaning the house. But yeah, so let me tell y'all what happened to me this week. I had planned on doing like a weekly vlog, you know, last weekend. It's been a week. We took Jenny to the beach last Saturday. I was planning to like do like week in my life, take y'all to work with me, what we eat for dinner, blah 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 blah. None of that happened because I got sick. Y'all could probably still hear a little bit of it. I am feeling better, but we're still getting over it. So yeah, I spent the week in the bed, and that's pretty much it. I did film one video. I filmed the Nima Tang video, which will probably be up before this one, but yeah, it wasn't a success. I'm still gonna post this vlog though, so thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to come on real quick and say hey and close out the vlog, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Smooches.